What's up everybody, it's Aswa Shukat, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into WebAssembly or WASM. It's not just for gaming. WASM is revolutionizing web development, blazing fast performance, complex applications in your browser, and new web capabilities. Stick around, it's going to be interesting. Let's get started. Let's break down what WebAssembly is. WASM is a low-level binary instruction format for a stack-based virtual machine. It lets you run code written in languages other than JavaScript in your browser, and it runs fast. WASM taps into the performance of languages like C++, Rust, and C#. This means near-native performance for web applications. Imagine running complex software and games in your browser. That's the power of WebAssembly. One area where WASM truly shines is video processing. We all know how demanding video editing and transcoding can be, often requiring powerful desktop software. But with WASM, we can bring those capabilities directly to the web. Imagine editing 4K video, applying complex effects, and rendering everything in real time all within your browser. WASM makes this possible by allowing developers to tap into the performance of languages like C++, which are well suited for these computationally intensive tasks. This opens up incredible opportunities for web-based video editors, streaming platforms, and even video conferencing tools, delivering a smooth and powerful user experience without relying on clunky desktop applications. Next up, let's talk about graphic design. Tools like Figma have taken the design world by storm, and guess what? They leverage the power of WebAssembly. Figma needs to handle complex vector graphics, rendering, and real-time collaboration all within the browser. This is where WASM comes in, providing the performance boost needed to make these features seamless and responsive. By offloading computationally intensive tasks to WASM, Figma and other design tools can deliver a desktop-like experience in the browser, making professional-grade design accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Now, let's move on to something even more mind-blowing: real-time simulations. We're talking about physics engines, scientific modeling, and complex data visualizations, all running smoothly within your web browser. WASM makes this possible by allowing developers to port existing simulation codebases written in high-performance languages to the web. This means researchers, educators, and anyone else can share interactive and computationally intensive simulations without requiring users to download and install anything. Imagine exploring a three-dimensional model of the human heart, interacting with a physics simulation to understand gravity, or visualizing complex datasets, all in your browser. WASM is making these experiences possible. By now, you're probably starting to see why WebAssembly is such a big deal. Let's recap its key benefits. First, speed. WASM achieves near-native performance for demanding applications. Second, security. WASM runs in a sandboxed environment, making it safer. Finally, cross-platform compatibility. WASM is supported by all major browsers. And there you have it. WebAssembly is truly a game-changer in web development, far beyond just gaming. From video editing to graphic design and real-time simulations, WASM is unlocking a new era of power and capability for the web. As developers continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with WASM, we can expect to see even more incredible web applications and experiences in the near future. The web is evolving, and WebAssembly is leading the charge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.